Chapter 10 Gases. Exercise 10.67. A gas mixture contains each of the following gases at the indicated partial pressures. Nitrogen 133 torr, oxygen 185 torr, helium 137 torr. What's the total pressure of the mixture? The total pressure of the mixture is the sum of the partial pressures. We have three gases. 455 torr would be the total pressure. What mass of each gas is present in 1.45 liter sample of this mixture at 25.0 degrees Celsius? We need the mass. Obviously, with pressure, volume, and temperature, we can get the number of moles. And then the number of moles multiplied by molar mass will get the mass. So over here, we need to do this first for each of the three gases. Alright, and then the mass is equal to N times the molar mass. Alright, so we have the molar mass times, so this is the equation to get mass, because the mass is molar mass times the number of moles, N, and N is PV over RT because PV equals RT. So we'll just use this formula to compute the mass. First, for nitrogen, the molar mass for nitrogen is roughly 28, and then we plug in P, V, R, and T. Or temperature 25 degrees Celsius. That's roughly 298 Kelvin. 25 plus 273 is 298. What about pressure? Pressure of nitrogen, it's given here 133, but it's in torr, so I need to convert it to ATM. What about the volume? The volume is given 1.45 liters. Alright, so this is the setup. Again, P times V over RT. We get N, the number of moles, and then multiply by the molar mass, we get grams. 0.29 separated by commas. Now oxygen. Oxygen has a molar mass of 32 grams per mole. And in this question, it has a different pressure, 185 torr. The volume is the same, R is the same, temperature is the same, so 0.46. Oh, 3 stick figures. I need to get the nitrogen again to have 3 stick figures. 0.291. Okay, finally helium. Helium has a molar mass of 4.00, and what's the pressure for helium? 137 here. And again, PV over RT, we get the number of moles multiplied by the molar mass. We get 0.0428. Okay. So you can see mastering chemistry calculated the number of moles of nitrogen using PV over RT, and this P is the pressure of nitrogen and nitrogen only. So again, we'll use PV equals RT here to get the number of moles, and then multiply by molar mass, we get mass in grams. Pay attention to the units. So